In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly best features in 2026. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, look for the official GetFormly website and open it. Make sure you're on the correct site before continuing, especially if you're signing up for a new account. Once you're on the homepage, look for a button such as Get Started, Sign Up, or something similar. Click that to begin the account creation process. If you want to try the platform for yourself while following along, you can use the affiliate link in the description. On the sign up page, enter the required information to create your account, such as your email address and password, depending on what options are available. You may also see alternative sign up methods. If you do, you can choose the one that works best for you. After filling everything out, complete the registration process and continue to the next screen. It formally asks you to verify your account. Open your email inbox and look for the verification message from GetFormly. Open that email and click the verification button or follow the instructions included in the message. This step is important because it helps activate your account and gives you full access to the platform. After verification is complete, return to the GetFormly website. Enter your login credentials and click Login or the equivalent sign-in button. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Take a moment here to get familiar with the layout. For a new user, the dashboard is where everything begins, so it's helpful to notice the main sections and navigation options. Depending on the current version of the platform, you'll typically see areas related to your forms, settings, and other key tools used to manage your workspace. From there, you can begin using GetFormly by going to the area where forms can be created or managed. Start with the most basic action a new user would usually take, which is opening the form creation or management section. This gives you a simple, beginner-friendly starting point and helps you understand where the core features live inside the platform. And that's it. You now know how to sign up for GetFormly, verify your account, log in, access the dashboard, and get started using the platform through the website. If you'd like to try it yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.